When I tell you guys about the importance of the shrines all over Greece to give people a sense of all belonging to one thing, when I talk to you about the importance of one language that everybody shared, when I tell you about the importance of a mythology that everybody thought of themselves as sharing, worshiping to the same pantheon of gods, and to the same four pre-Homeric heroes, and then the Homeric heroes themselves. That's stuff that I can talk to you guys about now, but that the people leading up to the end of the Peloponnesian War had no clue about until the end of the Peloponnesian War, when all of a sudden there was a cultural vacuum, and now there was a realization, the illusion that we're all part of one thing has been broken. There was no more sense of all of us Greeks being on the same team, because there was no more cultural epicenter that was expert enough to perpetuate that illusion in ways that needed to be done. And now all you had was a fragmented Hellas, a fragmented Greece, when it came to preserving what the Athenians were able to keep together when they were the ones in the driver's seat culturally.